Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're new right on over here, special welcome. Thank you so very much for being a part of the family. Those of you who are there with me from the beginning of the journey and you're still here, manners and respect. Now today's video is just about showing you how to put your pasta salad together two ways, or if you want to say with two different dressing. Okay, I've got here some elbow macaroni, regular elbow macaroni that has been cooked and has been properly cooled. When you are using your pasta for salad, you cook it, give it a little rinse and let it be properly cooled. Don't cook it with any grease. Don't cook it with any grease. As soon as it's cooled, because you want to get it on more like the kind of, especially the one for the mayonnaise dressing. You don't want to get it all greasy, and you know that's not nice. So you cook your pasta, and I think everybody knows how to cook some pasta. Look at the back or look somewhere on the package of your pasta, and the directions on how to cook your pasta will be there, and also for how long. Some of the pasta them different. Some cook easily, some take longer to cook. Just look for the directions on the package and follow it. So I've got here some regular elbow macaroni that has been cooked and it has been properly cooled. Right here I have got some bow tie pasta, right? Bow tie, I would not say it's underutilized, but most time people, you know, they tend to leave it. So, but you can use whatever pasta you want. You can use the shell, you can use the twisted, use whatever. You can use penny, you can whatever there's so many different types. You can use it. Now for this elbow, I'm gonna be using the creamy vinaigrette. Okay? And for this bow tie, I'm gonna be using a creamy dressing, and for this here I'm gonna be using like a vinaigrette. So what I'm gonna do, the vinaigrette is gonna take a little time to prepare. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start on it right now and leave it to steep. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I don't want to go too much, that should be good. But what I want to do, I want to warm my vinegar, not boil. I'm gonna warm my vinegar. So I don't want it coming to a boil. So I'm gonna leave it on that low heat for probably about a minute or two. Now, right here, I am gonna be proceeding to start to put my elbow pasta together, elbow macaroni salad together. So I've got here some orange sweet pepper, and I might not be using all. I'm going to be chopping them off, you know. Okay, now red bell peppers chopped off. You want a little more red than the green because we're going to be using some sweet peas. So even though this is a brighter green, this is a less paler green, we want a little more red, so I'll be using about half of this. Right on over here, our vinaigrette, our vinegar is warm. So into this warm vinegar, I want to put, this is like a teaspoon of freshly grounded coriander seeds. This is like about half a teaspoon of garlic flakes. You also could use some fresh garlic, but when it's dried, you get it, you know, a different flavor for the vinaigrette. We want to put in here a little rosemary. Not a lot, because you know, a lot of rosemary is strong. Also, we want to put some basil. Not a lot either. Basil is strong and it has a beautiful flavor. And you want to put some black pepper. Use the cracked one. So we are going to be doing all of that. Putting some in there. And we're just going to cover it and leave it. We're going to give it a stir, and we're going to leave it to just let this warm apple cider vinegar just take everything all the flavors and put them together. When you use the vinegar warm, it puts, you know, it pulls out all the flavors. So you want to leave it just like that. You know, when we are ready, it will be cool. So you got to cover it, okay? Because we have got to leave this to get all, you know, all steeped. Now, onto this salad here. So as I was saying, we're going to be using like about a half of this green bell pepper. And even though we are using these chopped peppers, you don't want to chop them too big. You don't want them too chunky. So look at me here. I'm just going to go finish chopping off the green and come back. Okay, so once I went off camera, I just seized the opportunity to chop off one piece of green scallion and just one part white and a part of the white scallions, piece of this chunk, the star chunk part, and one of those leaves. So we have that in there, okay? I'm going to proceed now to put in some of my sweet peas. I don't think I'll be putting all. Right here I have 2 eggs that I'm going to chop and come back to you. Our chopped eggs, and we're putting them right in. Right here I've got a little smoked turkey sausages, and I just did them in this little frying pan or this little skillet without any oil. You could use some bacon crisps, but you don't want to have them with any oil going down in there. Remember, we're going to use the creamy dressing. So you just, if you do them, you need to use your hand towel to dry them. You just want to do them in little bits like this, and you put them down in there. Whatever you want to use. You know, I use the smoked one because it will give it some flavor. Now I'm going to be putting in some mayo. And this mayo now, it is all about you. It depends on how creamy you want your salad. It all depends on you. Right at this point, it is out of anybody's you know, to say whatever. You do what you want, okay? I like my salad with, if I'm using mayo, I like my salad with reasonable amount of mayo on it, okay? So we are gonna be tossing this salad. Look at me here now, and you can see everything coming out. Those little bacon bits, you do them fine like this, just to match up with everything that is inside there, and it looks so beautiful. And really look, let us finish tossing properly, and then you will know if you want more mayo. But it is so pretty. Camera girl, what do you think about this? Did I eat some of this? Don't?
Yeah.
Okay, camera girl says she would have some. What about you? And I think I could put another little bit, not a lot more, of mayo, because I like mine creamy and nice, and that should do the trick. Let's do a little more tossing. Yep, this should be good. No salt, because we cooked our macaroni, our elbow macaroni, with a little salt. This is so nice. It is so beautiful. And can you just imagine that the taste that this smoked turkey sausage is gonna give to it? You can use whatever sausage you want, and this is it. This is so nice, beautiful. What we're gonna do now, we are finished tossing. We are gonna cover with our plastic wrap, leave it to cool. When we return, we'll be starting on the bow tie pasta. Soon come. Okay, whilst our first macaroni salad is chilling, we are gonna put this vinaigrette together. This is slightly warm now. But these are the herbs. And inside here, I have some chopped onions and a little green scallion got into it, so I don't think that would be a problem. So I've got a little scotch bonnet. This should be the ripe one with a little of the seeds, but I didn't have any ripe one. So if you like a little heat and you're doing, you can use the ripe one. Right here I've got some olive oil, and I'm gonna put the same amount of olive oil as I put on the same amount of olive oil as the, oh my god, camera girl, you can't help me, as the vinegar. Jeez. So now also I'm gonna use some honey to balance this out, this acidity. Okay, so my honey never, okay, I'm gonna go get this sorted out. So okay now family, I started so much right there. I said that I wanted just to have enough olive oil as the apple cider vinegar. That's what I was stuttering on, and camera girl could not help me. It smells so herbsy. Inside here now, we want to put about the same 2 tablespoons of honey to get this to balance out the acidity on this thing here. Everything is in there. We don't have to add salt. Remember, we cooked our look at this. We cooked our pasta with salt. So we are gonna just right in there right now, and we are gonna proceed to right here. We're just gonna be tossing right here. This is what we're putting on this one. For you, just for you. So we're also gonna do the same thing. We're gonna leave this one to chill, and when we return, we'll be plating for you. We are right back at your family, through the camera girl, and this is our finished dish. This is our finished product. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach, to your backyard with your jerky and all of that in the summertime. Yeah. Please do enjoy. Come on, girl, which one you prefer? Which is your preferred one?
With the rose.
The one with the vinaigrette. Oh, camera girl prefers the one with the vinaigrette. I think too. So what we did was chop some of our orange sweet pepper and a little of the green. We used the tomato rose to garnish because that was a little like, you know, it doesn't have a lot of color. And this we just use some bell pepper flakes to garnish. You can use your garnish of choice. Tell me in the comment section which is your preferred one. I know you will. Once more, from my kitchen to yours, please do enjoy. Now, if you have liked this video, all I ask of you is to give me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the Jamaican Cooking Journey. You don't want to miss these. You don't want to miss some of these little creative things, you know what I'm saying? So when you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell, and that is how, and leave your comment below. That is how you will end up being a part of the post notification shout out crew. And we thank you for your love. We thank you for your support. Those of you who are asking, how do you donate? Those of you who are interested in donating, each and every video that we post, our PayPal link is in the description, also our Cash App link. Okay? If you want to get straight to me, you want to have a conversation, you know, my WhatsApp is like off. I have my Instagram, and it will be appearing right here right now, and also you can send me an email. Okay, so we have all of those information will be listed in the comment section. Beverly Gorin, big up yourself to you, daughter and granddaughter, love you so much. Beverly Gorin from London, England, big up yourself, Bev, love you so much. Once more, from my kitchen to yours, please do enjoy. Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.